Hey everyone, what can be more personalized than love? Personalized practical Valentine's gifts for all the loved ones in your life. From your gal pals, spouse, the little ones, employees, or even customers you want to show just a little bit more appreciation to on February 14th. JDS offers thousands of gift items to be personalized, but I picked a few of my favorites to showcase for you all. Starting with this Burlap Leatherette bag, perfect for those earth-friendly friends or customers as a reusable grocery bag. And with that little bit of personal affirmation, they just may remember to bring it with them the next trip to the store. Next, a handy lighter for the candle enjoyer in your life. With the ability to personalize both the tin it comes in and the lighter itself, it's the perfect reminder to someone that your flame has not died. Our Leatherette wallets are perfect for the males in your life that you maybe can't think of what to get. Using a handwritten message engraved onto the Leatherette puts that daily used object up just a notch to remind the man just how much he is appreciated. Another JDS staple is our Polar Camel High Endurance drinkware line. The 12-ounce water bottles are the perfect size for those perfect sized little loves in your life or your customer's life. And finally, for the large group handouts, these pens come in at a good price point, have a quick lasering time, and most of all, are useful. Let's do a quick walkthrough of creating, jig setup, and lasering to get the most out of your time. For our pen project, we're going to be using this Rackstar pen fixture. This has the ability to hold 10 pens up at a time. We're going to start with 5. Now we're at our computer, so we want our artboard to match what our laser bed looks like. I'm in Corel here and I have my whole artboard the size of my laser bed. And then I have the template of the jig that I placed in my laser bed in the top left corner. I found the template of this on our JDS website by clicking the template button here. Then I also have the template of our pen that we're going to use, and I created my art inside of there. This is going to help you know what size you want it to be and for it to fit correctly as you're lasering it. With each pen 0.75 inches away from each other, I have set my nudge at 0.75. I will select my art, copy it, and paste it on itself 4 times as I have 4 more pens to line up. And by clicking and just hitting my down arrow, I've moved it the exact amount that I want, that set 0.75 distance. I'm going to do this for all 5 pens. So now I am centered and even with each pen that I've laid in the laser. Since we're only doing 5 pens, I just have my art set up here. I'm going to select my jig and my art and send it to my laser. And you're done. I hope you found some inspiration for your Valentine's Day items. Don't forget to check out these items on the JDS website, and why not try your hand at our pen project too. Share your creations with us on our JDS Facebook group. We'd love to see them. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep spreading love and creativity. Happy Valentine's Day from all of us here at JDS Industries. Bye for now.